we got this Lakewood window fan. It's like a window. And this is a reverse in and out. This is meant to be installed in a window like your air conditioner, like the window air conditioners. This is like a large Galaxy, but this is like a large Lakewood desk fan or table fan in a window frame piece. So what are we drawing on low? 1.27. Can you take it to medium? Yep. Jeez, this thing is a lot of air. It sure is, because for one, it's taking fresh air outside and bringing it in. That's what it would do if you put it in a window. Definitely would do that. And it's drawing 1.34. Bring it to high. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a thermostat. And it's drawing on high 1.49. And I'm going to do, you do off. Turn it off there, and we're going to do reverse on this one. We're going to do spin down. Okay, that was a quick. Can you set it to low? Turn it to low. Is it on low?
What?
Oh, high, let's see. High.
It's screwed up.
Medium, high, off.
I think I broke it.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't. High, medium, low. Okay, there it is. Now let's do reverse. It's got a large inrush.
It's really hard to get to move to the top and stuff. It's not like this one. I don't know how to...
Even on low, it's very effective. This thing is so effective. 1.119. 1.19 on the...
1.19?
Yep. Hold on, it's dropping. It's got an inrush going here. 1.27 on medium. Bring it to high. Let it, hold on, I'm gonna... 1.43. It's flopping between 1.43 and 1.44. All right. Okay, go back to high forward. Okay.
There you go.
You got it? Is that high forward? Yes. Okay, and you're gonna come back to the deck.
Let's see if it works. Oh, I did.
Yeah, very good. Let's let it spin down so that we can get an accurate test of where it starts. All right.
Or do what Reese did.
Oh.
Which I don't recommend doing.
Yeah, they actually put a caption saying, "Don't try this at home."
Well, if I can't try it at home, then I'll try it at my friend's house or Walmart.
Well, they're just saying, "Don't try this on your own." That's why they say, "Don't try this at home." Okay, let's see where this thing starts.
Try it at Walmart.
Yeah. 2, 3, 4,
5, 6,
7.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Go back to 0. Let's go back to...
Go back to 1.
Yeah, go back to 1.
Go back to 1. I'll go.
And turn on the 10. And
11,
12,
12,
13,
14, 15,
16.
17, 18, 19, 20. Really?
Yeah. Yes, really. Go back to 1.
Yeah.
And 21.
20? That's the best number in the world.
Let's just, for grins, I'm going to let it stop. I'm going to see if I just hit the 20. It's on 0 right now. I want to see if 20 actually starts it. Because sometimes I didn't know if we...
Oh, it does.
Yep, so if I went to...
21 is still...
There it's 19. Oh, it actually did start on 19.
I don't know what the fuck is it.
I don't know why. So we got 10. Let's see. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Yeah, something is... This thing's weird.
Sometimes, if it's not set right. So 21 is 1.03.
22?
Yep. You have to go slow on this one because it's going to have current's going to drop rapidly. 24.
25, 26, 27, 28, 29,
30.
30.
Let it
What is
steady out because it's
We'll
accelerating.
just see the.
Oh yeah, go ahead. See where.
We have.
That's an inrush. That's just like doing 0 to high.
We don't have a long ways to go. I just felt it from here.
Oh yeah, it's a big breeze. This thing is powerful.
I know.
Okay, so you're at 30 right now. Let's just go back to 31.
That's right on the money. Right on the money. I think.
It's gonna drop. See if it drops. It's in rushing when I accelerate. I want to see 1.46 is what it draws on high, so we're getting close. Oh,
Yeah, right on the money.
yep, right here.
25. Or 35.
34 actually. It's going all over, so we go over and let's let it spin down and hit the solid state.
From cap to
Solid state. Yep. Okay, and once it's done spinning down, we're gonna.
Oh, whoops.
That's okay. It didn't even start. Keep going. I hear it humming. Keep going.
It's
Start.
3 o'clock.
Okay.
Starts at 2 o'clock.
Actually, it's more like 2:30.
Yeah, like 2:30.
Because what's it drawing? 0.9?
2:30, yeah.
Let's draw a 0.9.
0.9.
This one's got some hum and buzz to the motor with the solid state.
Should I just go straight to high?
No, let's inch it up, but slowly, and let it accelerate.
This is how I turn the knob.
Yep. It's the same knob as the can arm in the warehouse.
Can you feel it? Can you feel the air?
Oh yeah.
It's really effective.
Oh, this thing is. This is probably for people that do not have air conditioning. Because remember, there was just a time when people did not have air conditioning, and this is what they did. Put them right in their windows.
I don't know
What's it? 1.4. Yep, 1.4 on solid state high. A little bit lower than straight high.
Pretty much.
Yep, so it's ready for 0 to high. Let's let it spin down. Okay, ready for 0 to high.
5, 4,
2.8.
2.77.
Yeah, around that. It's a big inrush. So, yeah. All right, well, that's all we have for this window fan, Lakewood. It's actually on upside down, but that's okay. Yeah. Yeah. Otherwise,
It's just flipped over. It's not like
yeah. Okay, that's all for the Lakewood.